right, here we go. We're gonna roll the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick a box. Of course, it lands on 9. One. So we're gonna do box number 3. I didn't clearly show that, but it is 1. It was 1. I hope you guys saw that. 6 times on the randomizer. I got Ravery, HBK, HBP 2K5, Richard Hare, Mark's Cards, Richard Hare, Green L53, Richard Hare, The Bus, and myself. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is your draft order. So we got HBP 2K5, Ravery, Richard Hare, Green L, Richard Hare, The Bus, myself, Ravery, and Mark's Cards 1029. Box number 3 is chosen by the die. Good luck. I'm back. So I'll probably set one of those. Remember we were talking about the whole random wrestlers? I'll probably set one of those up on the website. And it'll go when it goes. 3 of 25. The 2-man power trip. Cesaro. 42 of 50. Cesaro. Second. Alright, never mind. Let's drop this back. Alright, we got Cesaro. Then we got Triple H, Steve Austin, and Cameron. $29 of 50, Eve. And 27 of 99, The Miz. Haven't seen The Miz. All the cases we've done. I don't know. Is this third, fourth? Kofi Kingston, Virgil, and Carmella. Scott Dawson, 45 of 99. Becky Lynch, there she is. 89 of 175. Kevin Nash, King Barrett, and Mojo Rawley. Oh, did he? 39 of 99, the Brainbusters. Arn Anderson and Tully Blanchard. Nice. 34 of 99, Stratisfaction. That's right, he was on them. Ravishing Rick Rude, Big Show, and Show Miz. $19.99, Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Dolph Ziggler. 147 up, 175. Jim the Anvil Neidhart, Chris Jericho, and Charlotte. '94 of '99, Virgil. And our second, Cesaro, from this box actually. Randy Savage, Cesaro, Rikishi. '23 of '50, Virgil. Ah, way to jinx it, Jess. 4 of 50, Kalisto. Bam Bam Bigelow, Undertaker, Superstar Billy Graham. '8 of '50, Kofi Kingston. Very nice. Jim the Anvil Neidhart, 192 of 299. Sergeant Slaughter, Paul Orndorff, Baron Corbin. Shush, Howard. Shush. Big Show, 57 of 99. It's Sting. Junkyard Dog, Seth Rollins, and General Edmund. '92 of '99, Charlotte. That is sports card opener 93, favorite wrestler. And we got Kofi Kingston, 33 of 50. Slight two color on Kofi. The Miz, Eddie Guerrero, and The Miz and Damien Mizdow. Very nice little box again. Good stuff. All right, draft time. Good luck, everyone.